Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? If you wanna know how to get a bigger chest and a bigger back, watch this video. Lil' baby told me freeze, throw your hands up. Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? It's like 10, 11-ish. Just got here, Planet Fitness. We're gonna go through my chest and back routine. So this is my compound chest and back routine that I normally do. I'm gonna bring you guys through the exercises. We're gonna go step by step and everything. So so the first exercise we're gonna start off with is gonna be our warm-up exercise, but it's also gonna be a great bodyweight exercise for our lats and working on our back. I probably did it before, right? Pull up. So I couldn't do a pull up. Like a couple of months ago, I couldn't even do one. It's crazy. I had to build the strength. I had to go through progressions to get there. So exercise we're gonna do is pull up. 3 sets of 10. If you can't do 10, you know, that's fine. Whatever you can, do it about 3 or 4 sets, whatever you're comfortable with. So
running through a bag, I get some more. I can't go back when I was broke, I was invisible. Now I got love from all these women that I didn't know. So treat me like you did before, as if I didn't blow. If you don't answer when I call, and you know I won't call you. Nowadays I keep a safety net so I don't fall through. Ain't nobody
not able to do pull-ups. What you want to do? You want to get a resistance band. It's like this. Throw it over the board. Pull it through. And these are called assisted pull-ups. You'll build those muscles up for the progression, and you'll work your way into doing more pull-ups by yourself and pulling up your own body weight, right? You don't plug me, no, but you drug me, no.
I ain't got no time for your fake.
Cause my ass is up in that water, I was in order. Fuck that little bitch and I fuck up her heart. She wanna question me this in the quarter. Hit up the plug, go place me an order. Tell her the judge, fuck you ain't no order. Say what you do when you see me, you order. Feeling the practice, that's leaning the one. I hope in the next round, I'm making that corner. Baby told me free is cool with the 10 room. 6 came through, presidential, this the same view. I done ran it up, same move with the gang too. Up to 38, 23, it's the same food. Kick back, I'm reloaded, got my guap back, I'm reloaded. I just shot that and reloaded, and my partner let me hold it. Try to block that, I'ma float it. I'ma make that and control it. He won't make that what you hoping. Keep the doors, I bet they open. Nah. Fuck that little hole, nah. Friend jumped on my D. Pass me that weed. Do-rag.
Yeah, dumbbells in front of you, fam.
I know, man. I was like, fuck it. Like, these weren't enough, so I'm gonna get all the way to the gym and I'm gonna lift it with my big ass arms that are like, you know, the hugest arms in the fucking history of weightlifting weights ever. Like,
okay.
Yeah, see, you got it. We're about to do, right? So we're gonna do triceps. We're gonna do press, close, and wings. Each variation, you're gonna do 10. Lil' baby told me freeze, throw your hands up. Told that girl we can fuck but we can't make love. Drop beat, did it, ran the bands up. I ain't got no time for your fake love. Lil' baby told me freeze, throw your hands up. Told that girl we can fuck but we can't make love. New drop beat, did it, ran the bands up. I ain't got no time for your fake love. You don't love me, no, but you thug me, no.
I ain't got no time for your fake love.
You don't plug me, no, but you drug me, no.
I ain't got no time for your fake love. I got a bag cause I grab it. You got a bag cause you snap snatched it. I live in a mini mansion. All of my hoes got enhancements. All of your hoes say I'm handsome. Stick a particular planet. You can just call me your stand-in. I'm leaving your bitches abandoned. Improving my home like I'm
That's that. So this is a good exercise to work your upper chest. You know, and really build mass, right? Build that shelf. Shit like every guy wants that big upper chest or whatever. That's how you fucking get it. With the triceps on the inclines, right? I'll probably do like 3 sets, where it's 90 reps. But again, if you're not there yet, it's cool, it's okay, it's fine. Do whatever you're comfortable with, and it all works. You still get gains, still get shredded, you still get big as fuck. I'm saying like this guy. Now we're doing flat bench, one of my favorite exercises. Like I said before, I feel like it's a great exercise to gain that mass, which is your chest period, right? It's flat bench, right? So you're catching all this. So the thing you want to remember, if you're doing heavier weight, you want to do heavier weight and less reps. If you're doing a lesser weight, you do more reps. You know, you really want to focus on volume. So 3 sets of 12, flat bench.
Presidential, it's the same view. I done ran it up, same move with the gang too. Up to 38, 23, it's the same food. Kick back, I'm reloaded. Got my guap back, I'm reloaded. I just shot that and reloaded. And my partner let me hold it. Try to block that, I'ma float it. I'ma make that and control it. He won't make that what you hoping. Kick the doors, I bet they open. Nah, fuck that little hole, nah. Friend jumped on my D. Pass me that weed, I'ma take me up the heat.
And that's it.
Flex. Look like I hit another league. Lil' baby told me freeze, throw your hands up.
Alright, so next exercise for your chest, going to do cable crosses. We're gonna start at the top. We're gonna come down like this. It's gonna be a good exercise working your lower chest. Really giving you the definition of your lower chest. So it's great to like lose, even if you don't have like any kind of definition, right? So again, you want to do 3 sets of 12 of these, right? Like so.
Little baby told me freeze, throw your hands up.
And you want to go from the bottom to the top. This is a great exercise for your upper chest. So up to lower chest. Again, you or whatever you're comfortable with.
I'm the undead rapper pretty much. I was in a car accident, died, broke everything, came back to life. And you know, on this road to recovery, out here with my man's Quez, doing things, man, you know. Ooh, I look right for the camera right now, I'm loving it.
Finish strong. 3 more sets of 12 rolls. Good back workout or whatever.
I said what they thought that I wasn't gonna say, and I did what they thought that I wasn't gonna do, and I know what they really don't want me to know. I'm unpredictable. These bitches picking they next victim like I didn't know. I think she tried to set me up, so I just didn't show. I had no problem running through a bag, I get some more. I can't go back when I was broke, I was invisible. Now I got love from all these women that I didn't know.
Just like that. Yeah. Full chest and back day. Great workout. Good game. Good match. Like, comment, subscribe. all that. Check out Drake's channel. It's gonna be linked in the video. Follow his road to recovery. Check out the website below. Hey, 28fitness.com, baby. Click the link below. Right, click the link below. It's a free weight loss guide. You can get that sent straight to your email, and that's my gift to you. Make sure you comment, you like, subscribe. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what's your favorite exercise. Let me know what kind of exercises you guys want to see. And yeah.
Hit up the plug, go place me an order. Tell her the judge, fuck you ain't no order. Say what you do when you see me, you order. Feeling the breakers, that's leaning the one. I hope in the next round I'm making that shit. Baby told me free is cool with the 10 rules. 6 came through, presidential, just the same view. I done ran it up, same move with the gang too. Up to 38, 23, it's the same fool.